Hello, crypto lovers! Do you want to buy and invest in cryptocurrency to earn more money? Then you are in the right place, no doubt! Crypto is big hype these days, so let's start trading crypto today. Welcome to Caesar's Strategy. If you want to keep growing your financial assets, smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Now, let's begin with how to start trading cryptocurrency, the beginner's guide. A cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Many companies have issued their currencies, often called tokens, and these can be traded specifically for the important good or service that the company provides the most. Consider them you would like arcade tokens or gambling club chips. But, of course, you'll have to trade genuine money for the digital currency to get the goods or services or receive future profit. So for this purpose, you need an excellent step-by-step guide on how you can start trading cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies work using a remarkable technology called a blockchain. The blockchain is the technology that powers the movement of bitcoins from person to person and is a ledger distributed across millions of people. The blockchain is the force that keeps bitcoins in motion as it enables the transfer of bitcoins and records of all transactions. Wealth is not about you or having a lot of money, but it is about having a lot of options. Cryptocurrency is deeming to be one such great option. Beginners may get anxious before trading, and at the beginning, they wonder if cryptocurrency is safe or not. It is a common condition to be extra careful and stress, mainly if a ton of money is on the line. Be that as it may, cryptocurrency is an exceptionally safe choice for buying and investing. If you are looking for a valuable guide about buying and investing in cryptocurrency, you need to know some of its basics. So we are starting from its types. Types of crypto trading. There are two essential types of crypto trading. Number one, fiat to crypto. In this type, Fiat, USD, GBP, EUR is the base money and you exchange it against digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. The objective here is to develop your fiat cash and regularly book the profits. Many beginners stick with fiat to crypto trading, which seems comfortable and familiar. Number two, crypto to crypto trading, altcoin trading. Crypto to crypto trading is the most productive type of crypto exchanging. In this sort, you use crypto as a base and exchange against other digital currencies, altcoins, to develop the base coin. For instance, you start with 0.1 BTC and exchange it against different coins, for example, ETH, BNB, to become your BTC holding from 0.1. This crypto-to-crypto trading is additionally prevalently known as altcoin trading. This is perhaps the ideal approach to expand your Bitcoin holding at the hour of the buyer market. Now, let's look at the ways to get started cryptocurrency trading. You need the following things. Number one, funds. There are two most common ways to fund your crypto trading account: Bitcoin, fiat like USD, GBP, AUD, INR. The basic idea is to buy Bitcoin from your local exchanges and then transfer the Bitcoin to any crypto trading platform. You could decide the number of assets you might want to place in crypto exchanges. As numerous shrewd crypto traders shared, you should only use cash that you are comfortable losing. Number two, a cryptocurrency trading website. A crypto trade offers high liquidity and complex exchanging cryptos devices. Since you need to purchase Bitcoin or other cryptos to begin, it should offer an alternative to allow you to buy crypto from fiat. Binance has been the number one crypto exchanging site for trading crypto for the past few years. One reason is that it offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and is one of the best trading engines. Number three, risk management. Risk management is one thing that I highly recommend you learn right away. Many smart people lose all their money in trading because they get overconfident by not following the necessary risk management principle. Remember, you won't win all the exchanges you take, and with proper risk management, you will limit your losses. Risk management is one reason I highly recommend you try paper trading before you put the real money. Number four, paper trading. There is an excellent alternative before putting real money into crypto trading by using paper trading. In paper trading, before you place your actual money, you practice crypto trading. In this way, you can always check your trading skills before you start putting in your hard-earned money. 3 Commas is a fantastic platform that offers paper trading for free. So go and grab the chance. So guys, if you like this video so far, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Let's talk about the steps for buying and investing cryptocurrency. Get ready for an awesome tip on how to save some cash. If you are looking to trade cryptocurrencies, the first thing you need to do is get some coins. The easiest or simple way to do this is with Bitcoin, as almost every exchange accepts it. Using your debit card or credit card is the quickest way to buy Bitcoin with Coinbase. Coinbase is an amazing exchange broker, and it will sell you Bitcoin at excellent rates. Although it will charge you 4% to use your card, it is worth it as you get your coins straight away. But here is a tip not everybody knows. You can open a TransferWise account and a Revolt account, move your money to your TransferWire account, and from there to your Revolt account with no fees. Next step, Binance. And again, 0% fees. If you still want to go, you Coinbase. Here is an easy step-by-step towards your first trade. Number 1, open an account at Coinbase. Number 2, go to the Coinbase website. The most important thing you will need to choose a username and a strong password, and save your password in your diary for future use. Confirm your email address and mobile number. Your verification is important before buying Bitcoin at Coinbase. You will need to verify your identity. Follow our step-by-step guide. Number 3, click on Buy Sell at the top of the website. You now need to add a payment method. Number 4, click on Add Payment Method. Once you click on the payment method, you will then be asked to choose between a bank account and a debit or credit card deposit. Add a debit or credit card as it is the fastest way to deposit. As Coinbase takes security very seriously, you will need to verify your identity. It will not expose your personal information. Click on Upload ID. You can upload a passport, a driver's license, or a government-issued identification card. Select the one you want to upload by clicking on it. Next, you'll be asked how you want to upload your ID. You have the option of using a webcam, a smartphone camera, or a file upload. You will receive a confirmation once you have uploaded your ID. If the picture quality is not clear enough, you will be requested to upload it again. Number 5, add your payment method to Coinbase. You must now enter your debit or credit card information. Again, there is no need to be concerned because Coinbase is quite safe. It never sees your credit card information because the digits are encrypted. Congratulations! You have now successfully verified your identity and added a payment method. Let's go get some Bitcoin now. Number 6, buying Bitcoin at Coinbase. At the top of the website, click Buy or Sell once again. This time, you'll be able to see the 4 coins that are available for purchase. Select Bitcoin. Scroll down and enter the amount in Fiat that you want to invest in Bitcoin. When you input your amount, the amount of Bitcoin will be updated. Number 7, finally, click on Buy Bitcoin instantly. Confirm the payment card you added previously and click on Confirm. That's it. It's as easy as that. You now own Bitcoin. Now that you have some Bitcoin, you need to open an account at Binance. They are among the most popular crypto exchanges for cryptocurrency trading and have more than 100 different coins available. Open an account at Binance. Number 1, visit the Binance website. Number 2, follow the steps after clicking register. Binance is as simple as Coinbase in that you must provide your email address, cell phone number, and select a username and password. Number 3, now that you have a Binance account, you need to deposit the Bitcoin you just bought from Coinbase. Deposit funds into Binance. Number 1, go back to your Coinbase account and click on Accounts, then click on Send. Number 2, you will then be asked to enter the address you want to send your coins to. As you want to send them to your Binance wallet, we need to go back to Binance and get your Binance wallet address. Number 3, go back to Binance. Move your mouse over Funds and click on Deposits. Number 4, select Deposit Coin. Type in BTC and then click on Bitcoin. You will now see your Binance Bitcoin deposit address. Make a copy. Go back to your Coinbase account. Enter the amount of Bitcoin to transfer, followed by the Binance wallet address. Finally, press the Send button. It should fund your Binance account within 15 minutes. Trade cryptocurrency at Binance. Now that your Binance account is a fund with Bitcoin, we will show you how cryptocurrency trading works. Number 1, move your mouse over Exchange on Click on Basic. Number 2, click on BTC and enter BNB, or the coin you want to buy. Then click on NEO/BNB. If the coin you wish to trade with isn't BNB, and instead it was ETH, then you would look for the pair ETH/BTC. You are now on the main trading screen for the coins you want to trade. This is where all the fun happens. To make a trade, you need to scroll down and look for the Buy BNB. Number 3, before choosing how many coins you want to trade, you need to decide if you're going to do a limit order or a market order. Limit order is where you enter the price you want to trade. However, there is no guarantee that you will get your price matched. Market order is where you take the current market price available at Binance. My advice, never to use a market order, especially when you are purchasing with high numbers. I will explain why in future videos. Now, you need to enter the amount of BNB or your chosen coin you want to buy. Just for the example, let's say you did market price. Finally, to complete your trade, click on Buy BNB. That's it! You've just made your first cryptocurrency trade. That's amazing! That's it for today. I hope you are one step closer to understanding how trading cryptocurrency works. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Caesar Strategy Squad and be a part of the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Bye!